Welcome to Lesson 2. Live streaming is all the rage right now, and it will not be going away anytime soon. However, there is a little bit of a learning curve, and I want to make sure that the quality of your content reflects the quality of your brand. Production value isn't everything, but it's very easy to see which brands put in the extra effort, and that reflects with your audience. In this lesson, I'll show you the big differences you may not know about live streaming versus regular recorded video. The obvious difference between recorded video and live streaming is that one is live in the present and one has been recorded in the past. The biggest difference when marketing your business is engagement with your audience. What makes a live stream is the ability to speak to your audience in real time so that they can interact with you. Most people watch live content over recorded video, but going live is a notch more difficult than recorded videos. So let's break down the top advantages and disadvantages of recorded and live video. Top benefits of recording video. 1, it's very forgiving. Recorded videos are perfect for those just starting out because you have the ability to reshoot if you don't get it right on the first take. And you can shoot a take, watch it, and do it again. 2, better quality video. And this is just the nature of the technology. Your phone can shoot high quality video and you can upload it to the internet. The program can process the video. Once it's processed, it's very easy to replay over and over again in high quality. When you live stream, all of that processing is happening in real time and typically results in a lower quality video. 3, shooting multiple videos. You can shoot many videos at once and schedule them to be posted in the future. Like we talked about before, you can shoot a lot of content and automate it when it's released. 4, editing. When you record your videos, you have the benefit of taking your time to edit. If you're just shooting one clip at a time and posting them, then you don't really have to worry much about it. But eventually, you're going to want to add your branding, take multiple clips throughout an event that you're at, and combine them into one video. You can take as much time as you need to perfect your message. Biggest disadvantage of recorded video: editing. I know this was just a benefit, but editing your videos can be very time consuming if you're not used to doing it. I believe you can do it, but you'll have to spend some time to learn your editing program. This could be as simple as editing on your phone up to professional editing software. The more you shoot and the more special effects you want to add make the process more time consuming, and many people just simply don't like the editing process. If you're just starting out, even if you shoot 10 takes of your shot, it'll be well worth it to not have to edit anything or fix it in post, as we say. Now let's talk about the top benefits of live streaming. 1, it's live. Live streaming is very exciting because you're basically on live TV and everyone loves seeing live content. People enjoy watching content that was shot live over regular recorded videos. 2, no editing. One of the best benefits of live streaming is that there's no post-production. On most platforms, after you're done with your live stream, it will turn into a regular video and viewers can watch the replay of the live stream. Pretty cool, right? 3, more engaging than regular videos. When you go live, you can speak directly to your audience and ask them to participate in real time. This is the biggest benefit of live streaming, and if you're not planning on engaging with your audience, then you should just consider recording a regular video. 4, live videos rank higher in search algorithms than regular recorded videos. Top disadvantages to live streaming. 1, live streaming is very unforgiving because it's live and requires a lot more preparation. You need to have a clear objective on what you're speaking about, or you can get off topic and people will tune out. You only get one shot to get it right. 2, live streaming is technically more difficult. There's a lot of cool things you can do to raise the production value of your live stream, but it is super important to practice or else you'll be fixing things while you're live. And I'm sure you've seen it or maybe you've experienced it yourself. When someone goes live and right at the beginning they're apologizing for having technical difficulties, and the presentation gets delayed while they fix it and viewers start dropping out. In later lessons, I'll show you how to avoid these pitfalls, but know that it is important to practice and test everything beforehand. 3, you need a good internet connection. It's just a requirement for live streaming, and the better the internet connection, the higher the quality of video your viewers will see. If you're at home on your home Wi-Fi, then you should be okay. But if you're anywhere else, like at an event, be sure to have a good connection, which I'll show you how to do later. 4, larger commitment. Going live is amazing, but you have to physically be there to do it. Once you advertise that you'll be going live, you have to commit to that time, which a regular video you can be scheduled to be posted automatically. When it comes to creating content for your business, there is a place and time for both recorded videos and live streaming. The majority of your content will be recorded videos. You can get creative on which content will be live, like daily tip videos, like interviews, or starting your own talk show. Again, the biggest benefit to live streaming is the live interaction between you and your audience. You can create a sense of urgency because you're live and you're asking your audience to take action in real time. So now that you understand some of the advantages and disadvantages between video and live streaming, next we'll be going into exploring the differences between shooting on set versus location and how to build your own set in your home or office.